Here's the Insignia Fire TV, the F50 series. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this. After you factory reset, it'll be a clean slate for you to start back over, or you can go ahead and sell the TV if you wish, okay? So we're going to go to the home page first, click on the home button. From here, you want to navigate to the settings icon, that gear, all the way to the right, so keep moving over. Now we're going to move down, and we're going to go to device and software, right there. Let's select that. From here, all the way down, reset to factory defaults. Select that. Go ahead and read through that. And if you're ready, select reset. Give this about a minute or so. TV turned on, now it's turning back on. Just be patient here. And voila, factory reset is done, and you can start back over, fresh start from here, or you can go ahead and sell the TV as is. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, comment below.